morning. Alright, just be patient here. Be patient. Here you go. Come on. Yeah, just tear it off and baby will come back up.
I'll try and see if I can record this.
Here comes the baby. He's so cute. He's got big. Just a little chip about a month or so ago.
Will they eat it out of your hand?
Yeah, yeah. Just hold your hand up and
There you go. Ouch.
get your finger.
A little bit. There you go.
I don't know if the baby will or not. They're so protective of the baby, they're smart. On his own.
There you go. Here you go. Yeah, they did feed the baby. It's so interesting. Alright, last piece. Let's see if the baby will come for it. You coming? No. Alright.